What's good? What's good, family? Hey, hopefully everybody's doing good out there today, and the little ups and downs of the market didn't affect you too much. A while back, I told you guys about trailing stop losses. So hopefully, people, went on ahead and set some trailing stop losses on some stocks. It's always a good way to, you know, protect your investments and your gains because you can sell, when it drops a certain percent. So, with that being said, what's going on? Why is the market dipping? We got to be informed. When we're informed, we won't panic sell because we know what's going on. So tomorrow, Powell, the chairman of the Feds, is going to speak. People are kind of wondering if he's going to raise inflation rates or what's he going to do. I don't think he will based on a lot of his last comments. So let's see. Check this little clip out.
If you listen to Dr. Jay Bryson at Wells Fargo, he says, look, over 6% GDP growth this year. Are you going to see this surge of inflation in August and September? Yes, you're going to see it. Will the Fed blink? Josh thinks yes. A lot of people think yes. But is it episodic? Does it just roll through the economy? No matter how I look at it, when I see $2.8 trillion in stimulus coming in a single quarter this year, with the government talking about more, I do not know how you keep stock prices down. Well, I think this market goes significantly higher.
Well, what?
So yeah, look, the experts is thinking like I'm thinking. The stimulus should be hitting tomorrow morning. So hey, I think the market's gonna run. So what I'm doing, what I did, I grabbed some Ampio Therapeutics or Ampio Pharmaceutical. My apologies. But basically, they have a therapeutic, which it's an inhalant, and it treats COVID. So I know there's vaccines already, but this is a therapeutic, and the company just got the FDA approval on their first trial. It says the FDA responds to recommendation that we forego our planned unblinded expansion of the current trial and more directly to a randomized double-blinded placebo trial. So the FDA is basically saying, hey, look, let's just get to the next trial because they think it's a positive thing. It says Ampio, it demonstrated improvement in all causes of mortality in COVID-19 patients. That's huge, right? Ampio also, the patients that received it, they had less hospitalization time. That's another big deal. Patients who received Ambien required less oxygen, and more patients who received Ambien were stable or had improvements, right? So those are huge things. The stock right now, I believe, is down about 24%. It's like $1.77. I believe it hit 289. Another thing about Ampio, they're saying that it can help people that have what they call the long haulers, basically people that have effects that last for a longer period of time, right? So, yeah, I think the median price target on Ampio is $4. So, again, you don't always have to get calls, family. Sometimes grab a few shares and just hold them. Hold them for the long haul, build a nice portfolio. And again, when the market dips, you don't even have to really be panicking. You could just buy the dip. So you guys know what it is, family. Let's eat.